Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have a Kaggle account and the API token ready. Place Kaggle. JSON in your notebook /root/. Kaggle if using API. Open the Kaggle notebook where you want the data, then click Add Data in the right pane. Search the dataset by name or owner, select the correct version, and click Add. This attaches the dataset to your session. Once added, make sure the dataset folder appears under /Kaggle/input, so you can reference files directly. With the dataset attached, you load it by referencing the path under /Kaggle/input. Use pandas. Read CSV /Kaggle/input/dataset name/file. CSV or the proper loader for JSON, images, or Parquet. This ensures consistent behavior across runs. Once loaded, inspect with df, head, df, info, and df, describe to spot missing values or odd types. If you have many files, iterate the directory and build a list. Once you understand, run your analysis cells and validate outputs. When satisfied, use session right arrow save version to create a reproducible snapshot. Export models or clean data with output right arrow download or create a new Kaggle dataset from your notebook if you want sharing. If something fails, first check the path under /Kaggle/input for typos and confirm the dataset was added to the current notebook. If files are missing, re-add the dataset or verify your notebook's internet and permission settings. One key tip: restart the kernel after adding data to refresh mounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.